Hi everyone, this is Dominic Daughtry, and I'm making this video because lots of people have all sorts of attachments coming in through email. You want to be able to basically keep them pinned to the email and be able to do your markups and then not have to download, save locally or to a network drive, make a few comments, and then attach it again to another email to send it back out. There's actually the ability to just forward an email that has an attachment, open it up, open the attachment up, do all your markups, and then just forward it straight on to the other person without any of the hassle of downloading it and filing it. This works out great for like people in supervisory roles that are doing PTO requests and lots of different where you just open something up, you can review it, you can stamp it approved or rejected or anything like that, and then just forward it straight on. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go up to your settings, you're going to go to preferences, and you're going to go to document, and you're going to want right here this allow saving to temp folder. This gives you that ability, so make sure that's checked. So just to test this out, we're going to go do something real quick right here. I'll open this up. I've got a PTO request. So I'm going to press forward. I'm going to open it up, and I'm reviewing it, just in a supervisory role. Oh, it looks like I'm actually going on vacation. My start date's going to be now. I'm going to return to work sometime in 2015, so I'm taking the rest of 2014 off because I've had a crazy year. Total hours taken, a whole bunch. My employee stamp, and so you want to just have your supervisor stamp this. He's reviewed it. He's good with everything. Just go to the stamps. There's a great video on the Sundt Web Quick Shares website on how to create a custom digital signature stamp, so you don't have to save it. Do that. All you have to do is click out of this, press yes, and then go back to your email that you're forwarding. So this is the original email that I was forwarding. I did my stamp, I did my markups. Go like this, go back to it. See, everything's exactly the way I had it. Go back to the email it to whoever you need to send it back to, or just send it back to myself. And there you go. And you are good to go. You've had the ability to not save to a local drive. You save it to a temp folder. You did the markups without getting out of, downloading to your local, and it worked great. You can see right here, I've got it. It's come in, and it's got everything I needed for the supervisory stamp. And you can flatten, you can do all these things while you're forwarding it as well. All the edits will come through, and you won't have to hassle with downloading it. Just forward, do your revisions or comments or markups or annotations, and forward it right on. Thank you, and have a great day.